How much should you actually spend on a cordless brad nailer? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Bielmeier electric staple gun. First up is the Bielmeier electric staple gun, a 2-in-1 lithium-ion electric stapler and brad nailer that caught my eye because it's so affordable at just $38.08. If you're looking for versatility in your projects without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes with 1,200 staples and 400 brad nails, meaning you can tackle various materials from upholstery to carpentry right out of the box. Being only 1.6 pounds, it's lightweight enough to handle for long periods, shooting up to 850 staples per charge. Plus, the quick-release magazine makes loading hassle-free, which is essential when you're in the zone. Now, some people complained about its build quality feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, for light to medium projects, product number 2, DeWalt DCN 680B. Next is the DeWalt DCN 680B, a serious contender at $346.17. What grabbed my attention? It's 100% battery powered, eliminating all the gas and compressor hassle. If you want a reliable tool that gets the job done without the noise, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A brushless motor, it maximizes runtime and durability, offering up to 700 nails per charge. The micro nose improves accuracy, so you can place your nails just where you want them. And with tool-free jam release, you won't waste time fixing issues when you should be working. Now, some users mentioned it feels a bit heavy at almost 4 pounds. But here's the thing. That weight translates to durability and steady handling, making it suitable for more demanding jobs. If you're doing light tasks, it might be overkill, but for serious work, it shines. This is perfect for you if you're a pro or a serious DIYer looking for performance. Skip this one if you're just doing occasional projects at home. The investment is worth it for the quality you get. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for balancing price and performance. Product number 2, DeWalt DCN 680B. Next is the DeWalt DCN 680B, a serious contender at $346.17. What grabbed my attention? It's 100. Product number 3, Craftsman V20 Brad Nailer. Coming in hot at $163.91 is the Craftsman V20 Brad Nailer. The price caught my attention, but it's the powerful motor that really stood out. If you want something that delivers solid performance without a hefty price tag, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It drives up to 420 nails per charge, which is impressive for most home projects. You can work in various conditions since it doesn't require compressors, making it a hassle-free option. Plus, the tool-free jam settings make it easy to fix any issues without getting frustrated mid-project. Now, some people... Product number 4, 2-in-1 Electric Nail Gun by Matthiol Haig. Next up, we have the Matthiol Haig 2-in-1 Electric Nail Gun, priced at $181.69. It's compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, which I found really convenient. If you want a tool that can handle both brad nails and staples, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It drives 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 3/4 to 2 inches and comes with 1,000 nails and staples. This versatility is great for various projects, and the ergonomic design means you can work longer without fatigue. The safety features also ensure you can work without worrying about accidental firing. Now, some users pointed out that it doesn't come with a battery. Here's the thing. If you already own DeWalt batteries, it's a no-brainer, but I can see how that might be an extra cost for some. Still, the performance is solid for what you get. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile tool for both woodworking and upholstery. Skip this one if you don't want to invest in a battery. It offers great value, especially if you're a DIY enthusiast. Finally, let's wrap things up with a reliable option that's been a favorite among users. Product number 5, Ryobi 18-gauge Cordless Brad Nailer at $144.84. What caught my eye? It's airstrike technology, which means you can say goodbye to compressors and hoses. If you want an efficient tool that simplifies your work, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's compact and 45% smaller than its predecessor, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. The tool-free depth adjustment helps protect your work surfaces, and the jam release feature saves time during projects. Now, some reviews mentioned that it feels a bit heavier at 5.22 pounds. Here's the thing though, that weight adds to its sturdiness and reliability. If you're used to lighter tools, it might take some getting used to, but it performs well in diverse conditions. This is perfect for you if you're tackling various DIY tasks and need something dependable. Skip this one if you want something ultra lightweight. For the price, it's a solid investment. In conclusion, we've covered some fantastic options today. And whether you're a casual DIYer or a pro, there's something here for everyone. So there you have it. The Bielmeier for budget-friendly versatility. The DeWalt for serious power. The Craftsman for a balance of quality and price. The MT Allhig for 2-in-1 functionality. And the Ryobi for compact efficiency. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but I hope this helps you find the best cordless brad nailer for your needs.